Market Outlook. Calendar Week. 34. Calendar Week. 33 was marked by macroeconomic calm, yet behind the surface, significant signals began to emerge. While interest rates remained stable and central banks refrained from new decisions, subtle shifts in the global financial structure moved into focus. In the United States, labor market data remained strong, but consumer confidence fell short of expectations, a clear sign of a growing disconnect between real purchasing power and inflation perception. In Europe, signs of an economic slowdown intensified, particularly due to declining industrial orders in Germany and decreasing trade volumes across the eurozone. Meanwhile, China announced new liquidity measures aimed at stabilizing its real estate sector. These global developments did not trigger abrupt price movements in the crypto markets, but rather created a technically favorable sideways structure. Within this environment, targeted entry signals emerged, especially in the area of mid-cap altcoins. Our systems were able to generate a technical return of 9%, but more important than the result itself was the quality of the market structure, rhythmic, predictable, and free from external shocks. Looking ahead, the new trading week presents a compact but potentially impactful set of data. On Monday, August 19th, China's decision on its loan prime rate will be released, a potential catalyst for risk sentiment in Asian capital markets. On Tuesday, the ZEW Economic Sentiment Index from Germany will be published, alongside the US Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes. Both are considered market relevant, not so much because of their content, but because of how markets might interpret future monetary policy softening or tightening. Wednesday brings the UK's Consumer Price Index, an important inflation metric that plays a role in shaping the overall European economic narrative. On Thursday, the Eurozone's PMI data will follow, a reliable early indicator of business sentiment and economic momentum. Friday's update on US M2 money supply will complete the week, offering insight into liquidity conditions and capital availability. On the token economy side, there are also notable developments. On Friday, approximately 14 million USD in tokens will be unlocked for DYDX. On Saturday, token unlocks will follow for SUEI, roughly 25 million, and for Starknet, around 8 million USD. These unlocks remain within a manageable range and are not expected to cause systemic market shifts, though short-term corrections may occur, especially in low liquidity environments. The Fear and Greed Index rises to 64 in week 34, signaling moderate market greed. Sentiment is optimistic, but not yet euphoric. Compared to last week's reading of 58, this upward trend reflects a growing appetite for risk. Bitcoin dominance currently stands at 2.4%, with a weekly low of 51.6%. This slight decline suggests increasing interest in altcoins, opening up attractive opportunities for experienced traders, particularly in short-term rotational strategies. Our algorithms remain set to moderate risk in this market phase. This means that both counter-cyclical and trend-following strategies are allowed when signal quality supports them. Up to 100% of the available portfolio may be deployed in active positions, provided that no overarching volatility alerts are triggered. A multi-layered risk management system automatically adjusts position sizes in response to macroeconomic tensions and structural market changes. Should volatility spike suddenly, our systems will automatically reduce exposure. Signal execution remains entirely in your hands, in real time on your own exchange account, with full transparency and control. Quantum data analytics does not issue price forecasts. Our systems observe, analyze, and calculate based on probabilities, real-time data, and technical market depth. Calendar Week 34 offers no spectacle, but it does present a clearly structured environment for tactical trading. Those who detach from opinions and truly listen to the markets will see that movement is possible, even in quiet phases, when you know where it begins. Quantum data analytics. Analytical, strategic, innovative.